Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class I will be explaining about Gray code. It's a non-weighted binary code. In our previous class we have seen binary codes are of 5 types: weighted codes, non-weighted codes, reflective codes, error detecting, error correcting codes, and so on. And we have seen weighted binary codes, that is a BCD code, in the previous class. As well we have seen XS3 code also. In this class we will be saying the Gray code, how to convert a Gray code to a binary and binary to Gray. Okay. So, Gray code is a non-weighted binary code. Gray code is a special case of unit distance code. These codes are also called cyclic codes. So, when we are doing conversion from binary to Gray or Gray to binary, we need XOR addition. XOR symbol is this one, XOR. Inside the circle we put a plus sign. So, this is XOR addition is to be performed. What is XOR addition? Or 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Okay. So, this XOR addition you have to remember for converting the binary to Gray and Gray to binary conversion. Okay, let us see the first question. Convert, let us first see this question, binary into Gray. So, the binary number is given to us as 1 0 1 0 triple 1 0 double 1. This is a binary number. We have to convert it into Gray. This is a binary number, you have to convert it into Gray. So, yeah, this is known as LSB bit and this is known as MSB bit, most significant bit. So, write the MSB bit as it is. 1 is written, okay, and then add sequentially. Then you have to add the sequentially, that is 1 XOR 0. 1 XOR 0 is what? 1 XOR 0 is 1. 0 XOR 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. 1 XOR 1, that is 0. 1 XOR 0 is 1. 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR 1 is 0. Okay. So, we got the Gray code. So, what we are doing when you are doing binary to Gray conversion, we are doing sequentially XOR addition. The answer is triple 1 double 0 double 1 0. Okay. Now, convert another question is, so for binary to Gray we are doing sequential XOR addition. For Gray to binary, now let us see this question. Here the Gray code is given as 1 0 1 0 double 1. This is the Gray code given. Gray is a non-weighted binary code. So, first write the MSB bit as it is and then you have to do diagonally XOR addition. 1 XOR 0, 1 XOR 0 is 1. 1 XOR 1 is 0. 0 XOR 0, 0 XOR 0 is 0. 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR 1 is 0. So, this is a binary number. Okay. So, when you are doing binary to gray, we are writing the MSB bit as it is and doing sequential XOR addition. And when you are converting gray to binary, write the MSB bit as it is and then do diagonal XOR addition. Okay, now let us write decimal numbers and their binary and gray codes. Decimal, binary and gray. Okay. For 0, let us write the binary numbers in a group of 4 bits. So, 0 decimal is represented by 4 zeros. Now, convert it into gray. Binary to gray means sequential adding. So, write the MSB bit as it is and do sequential adding. So, all are zeros, it will result it in 0. Okay. For 1 binary 0 0 0 1. Now, do binary to gray conversion, MSB bit as it is. Then sequential XOR addition 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Okay. Now, for decimal 2 0 0 1 0 binary hai na. Do a gray conversion, write the MSB bit as it is 0, 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1. Okay. Now, for 3 in binary is 0 0 1 1. So, write the MSB bit as it is 0, 0 XOR 0, 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Okay. So, MSB bit 0 is written 0, 0 XOR 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Let us write for 4. 4 in binary is 0 1 0 0. Convert it into gray, the MSB bit as it is 0, 0 XOR 1 1, 1 XOR 0 1, 0 XOR 0 0. Okay. Now, do it for 5 in decimal 0 1 0 1, MSB bit 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1. Okay. So, in this way we can convert the given decimal number to gray. First we have to write its binary and then do sequential XOR operation. Now, let us see, are we getting the same result from gray to binary? For gray to binary, okay. So, write the MSB bit 0 as it is and then do diagonal addition. Okay, diagonal addition, how do we do? Suppose 0 is gray code. So, MSB bit and then 0 XOR 0 is, so this will be coming 0. Okay. Now, for 0 0 1, 0 0 1, MSB bit as it is 0 XOR 0, 0, 0 XOR 0, 0, 0 XOR 1. So, it will come as 0 0 1. Now, the third one 0 0 1 1, MSB bit 0, 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. So, it will come as 0010. Now for this one 0010, MSB bit 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1. So it will come as 0011. Now for this number 0110, MSB bit as it is 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0, 0 XOR 0 is 0. So it will come as 0100. Now for this number 0111, MSB bit as it is diagonal XOR addition 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1. So we will get 0101. So we can now easily check. We have converted gray to binary. So is it coming same? Yes. Okay. So in this way we can easily convert binary to gray and gray to binary. I hope the class is clear. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.